Watcher, Blokes and Blokettes. In this video, the aim is to get set into FEDOSUIA's rear driver's side quarter, put her wheels on, drop her, see if she starts. Does she start, I wonder? If she starts, move her out, give her a wash, and in doing that rear quarter, I've got to take out all of this. I've got to take this rear light out, and got to cut out this little rear quarter light. You've seen her front end, but I've got to put her wheels back on. Shouldn't take too long, but by the end of it, she should be starting to look quite a bit different. Excited about this. I'll shut up, this roll of tape, and I'll see you the other side, digging straight into her. See you in a second. Toodle bit. Watcher, Blokes and Blokettes, you're through to all your works. I'm the Baldy Brit Bloke, and this is my YouTube channel. Oi oi! Oi oi! Please subscribe, please like, please comment, please share. Oi oi! Now on the 3, 4, 5 cars that I've had and bought from bought as salvage to rebuild, I've never had this sticky stuff on before. But I have a little trick I'm going to try, which is what I do for using removing my vinyl stickers and tint on the tinted windows. I'm going to get some hot water and pour it on, see if it melts the glue. And then I'm going to put my gloves on and pull this out, because that's still got quite a bit of glass in there. So we'll see what happens. Can't beat a cup of tea. Okay, let's see what happens. Thankfully, this wasn't damaged, because these are expensive, these wings. Holy jumping. I had hoped to be able to do this outside because it's such a mess, but it is pouring with rain out there today. Sweet! A bash removing this little quarter light.
Quiero hacerte el amor en la cama tú y yo. Quiero hacerte el amor en la cama tú y yo.
Sweet. Woo, there's a lot of glass on the floor. No bare feet out here for a little while. Time to get the vacuum cleaner. I'm going to start tackling the inside panels and trim of this rear quarter. I don't know what's all behind here and how it's going to work out, but we'll have to have a look. I just had an interesting experience. I was going to cut this out because I couldn't get it to release. I was thinking I'd cut it out, drill it out and everything. What I now realise is it's a left-handed thread. It's a reverse thread. So I wonder if somebody had been trying to take it out and had over-tightened it. And what I've been doing the last week or so is every time I remember I squirt it with some penetrating oil. I don't know whether that helped, but I just tried easing it both directions and it suddenly cracked and it's come out. So, for those of you not too sure, this is the tow hook. That's sweet. Jobbed. I'm sure the camera is picking up all the wind noise, forgive me for that. And also forgive me, my pants keep falling down. I'm on this new diet, it's called stress. And I've lost so much weight that my pants are too big. So forgive me if you see my underpants. I'm gonna slap on her two front wheels, drop her down, see if she starts, bring her out, spin her around, and so that her back is out. Sticking out where the garage doors are, so that when I do have to start her up and move her, the exhaust fumes all come out here. Alright? Oh, doesn't she look fantastic? Quick stick a plastic bag over the ECU and that should help stop any water getting in there. Alright, blokes and blokettes, what do you reckon? Is she gonna start? Come on, baby. Let's see what you can do. sorts of faults being flashed up on the screen here, but that's not unexpected. She hasn't got headlights in. There may be one or two sensors underneath that were damaged that I haven't had a chance to get to yet, but she's running. And now confession time. This is not actually the first time I've started her. I knew she was going to start. The bloke that came and programmed the ECU, he started it, and but this is the first time that she's moved since she was delivered early May. Listen to that intercooler bubble. I could listen to that sound over and over again. Okie dokie people, let's get this back bench out. With that all sorted, the next step with FEDOSUIA is to get her loaded onto a trailer, take her down to the body shop. There she is, all nicely loaded up. So here is FEDOSUIA's resting spot for the next little while. Smith's Auto Body in Burlington. And that, blokes and blokettes, is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy the content, please make sure to tap the like button. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I hope it won't be too much longer before I'll be able to get the last and final episode out of FEDOSUIA. Until then, if you're not following me on Instagram, the link is down below. Bounce over there and check it out. And that's it for now. See you very soon. Toodle pip.